Hello, in this video, we're going to give you some exciting new updates on Google Meet with our new Google Enterprise. So you have some additional features, and I'm going to have a couple of student accounts join so I can show you what those look like. So Nick, you can go ahead and join in. If you're just looking here at your normal Google Meet, again, you'll want to make sure that you either create your Google Meet with a nickname, or if you create your Google Meet through It's Learning, immediately making sure that you turn off quick access, so then you admit each person into the room. And they're in. All right. I'm going to turn my sound off so you don't hear me twice. And the thing to know here is that all of your other features that were added to Google Meet in about October are still there. So your closed captions, your Jamboard, raising your hand. The new features that are available are up here at the top. It's this little puzzle piece looking buttons here, and it's called Activities. So if I click that, here's where I have some exciting new options. And you can also get to those options if you open up just the participants list. It shows up here on the side and also with the chat. So now on to another exciting piece with Breakout Rooms. So this has been a pretty requested feature in Google Meet, and now it is here. So if I click Breakout Rooms, this is where I have some options. And this is going to look a little bit different because we don't have a whole class of students here, but functions are still the same even if you have 20 people or 2 people in your breakout room in your Meet. So I click the little pencil button here and it shows me all my participants. All right. And you can determine the number of rooms up here that you would like to have in your Meet. And it goes up quite a bit. You're not limited to just a couple of rooms. By default, it will give you a couple here just to split some people up. Looks like someone is going to have their snack even though it's not snack time. All right. And you have some options here. So I can drag and drop people into rooms. You can type their name. It will automatically put people in a room, but I can also drag and drop and move them around. You can rename the breakout rooms as well. So if you were giving students a specific topic that they're going to be answering or talking about in that breakout room, you can name the breakout room after that. Other features to know, you can shuffle the rooms if you need to. It will remember whatever breakout room you put students in to start with. So if you want to keep those breakout rooms consistent for a period of time, it will remember that. And I can also set a timer. So the nice thing with this timer is I click the button and I get to determine when the breakout rooms will automatically close. So just to know with this breakout room timer, I have to click OK. It turns the timer blue, and it does not actually put that timer into place until I click Open Rooms. If I wanted to go back and add a timer after I've already started the breakout rooms, then I would have to save my changes. All right, so I'm just going to send these guys off into their breakout rooms and click Open Rooms, and I'll show you some additional functions here. We're going to actually do this for 2 minutes instead of 1. I'll end it sooner. So Open Rooms. All right, I set a timer there, so it puts it across the top of my screen. And on the student side, they're seeing a notification to join their breakout rooms. And I'm here in this main room because I'm the host. All right, I can go and join breakout rooms. So I'm going to hop in here to breakout room 1. And it takes me there so I can talk with the students in here. I can say hello to them. I still see my other breakout rooms here as well on the side. I can chat with the students in here if I need to. Still have my timer there at the top. So I'm going to leave this breakout room and go back to the main room. And the thing to know here is, although we're all still in this same Google Meet, if I send a message in the chat right now in this main room, it only goes to people who are in this main room. It will not go to these breakout rooms. So I cannot send an announcement from this room. I would have to go into the breakout room to be able to do that. All right, and here we go. Here's the Ask for Help feature. So tells me what room is asking for help. It tells me what student asked for help, and it keeps that notification here so I know to go back to that room so I can join and help that student out. Right? Let's imagine that I answered their question. So I'm going to leave and go back to my main room. And we're probably getting close to the breakout room ending. And it gives a countdown here for the last 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds, the students will see a notification on their screen that the breakout room has ended. On my side of things, I could close the rooms at any point in time if I wanted to by just clicking this close rooms button. I can't remove students from the breakout room before then, just as a heads up. So it just ended the breakout rooms, and it changes the color here to let you know that the breakout room has ended. And I had to admit them back because I turned off my host controls. All right. And there we go. So I am back in this main room. I can set up my breakout rooms again. It puts the students back in the same rooms they were before, or I could shuffle it and change it if I need to. So those are the awesome features with breakout rooms and how you can leverage those. Again, the timer feature is pretty cool because it closes it down for you. If you're wanting to have students in there for a set amount of time, it's pretty helpful for them because they see the reminder across the top of their screen the whole time on how much time they have left. So those are the new features in Google Meet. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we hope that you're excited about these changes.